again with another amazing recipe, guys. Tunataka kupika wet fry mbuzi. Yeah, that is what we are preparing today. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. Nawapenda sana. I love you guys so much. And kama hauja subscribe, tafadhali kimbia, run there, hit that button and subscribe and support me, guys. I will really appreciate. Let's get into the ingredients and prepare this amazing meal for dinner. Come guys, with me. Here are the ingredients that we have. Niko na nyama ya mbuzi hapa as our main ingredient that we're going to use. I have here chopped tomatoes. Yeah, I have here garlic and ginger, and I also have here capsicum ama ukipenda green bell peppers. I have here chopped onions into thin juliennes. Niko na dania ama coriander. I have the dania leaves and the dania stems, but we're going to use separately. And I also have my seasonings here. I have mixed spices. This one is mixed spices. These are chili flakes. I have here, this one is coriander, black pepper, and seasoning cubes. I'm also going to use this Royco cube, mchuzi mix. Royco mchuzi mix, yes. And I'm also going to use tomato paste. I have tomato paste here that I'm going to use for this specific recipe. So guys, next I have salt, cooking oil, and everything needed to prepare this. So first of all, we're going to boil our meat. We have to put our gas on. Then next I'm going to put in the mbuzi. I've washed it already. After putting in the mbuzi, guys, I'm going to boil this mbuzi with this dania stems. So I'm going to add in the dania stems, not the dania leaves, the dania stems. This stage is optional, but I love it that way. Mi upenda ku boil my mbuzi with dania stems and a little bit of garlic and ginger, ndo iingie ndani vizuri. I'm also going to add in some salt at this point. Then mix all this together. After mixing all this together, guys, I'm going to add water. As you can see, there is no water inside there. So I'm going to add maji kidogo yenye mbuzi yetu inaenda kuboil nayo. So we are going to let this simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes and it will be ready. We will be back. Yeah, guys, nyama yetu imekuwa ikiiva. To now transfer this into the pan. Here is our pan. Into our pan, guys, I'm going to add some cooking oil and allow this to heat for 30 seconds. Guys, I'm going to put in the mbuzi. We want to dry fry this hadi it turn brown. Our mbuzi imeiva vizuri, garlic imeingia ndani. At this point hata mtu anaweza kula tu na ugali. Mimi karibu niache kushoot, nipike ugali nikule, maisha iendelee. But anyway, I have to do this. So we are dry frying this hadi ikue brownish, golden brown. Yeah, hadi it turn color. Hey, I'm loving it already. So at this time, as you can see, zimeanza kuturn golden brownish, so I'm going to go in with the onions. Mimi napenda kupika na kitunguu mingi. It makes the food so yummy. I just love onions. I'm a lover of onions. At this point, I'm going to go in with the ginger and the garlic. And also stir these all up together and for 30 seconds. I'll keep stirring for around 30 seconds or a minute. Ndo ziive na zisiungue. Na ginger zimeiva. So next I'm going to go in with all of my spices. And mix them up. After mixing that all up, I'm going to go in with my tomatoes. After mixing that up, I will put in the tomato paste. I had used a half of it, so I'm just going to put in all of the remaining ones. Then put in the seasoning cube, some salt, nyama yetu tuliboil na chumvi, and also the spices ziko na chumvi. So after putting them in, we mix them all in together like that. Next, I'm going to mix a spoon. You can see my spoon, a spoon of this Royco into water. Into my water here. Mix it up very well. Then add it in. And mix them all together again. And allow it to simmer for the tomatoes to be tender. It's been 2 minutes, guys. I'm back to check on how our tomatoes and our wet fry mbuzi is doing. So it's now time. I'm going to add in the capsicum. And mix them up. And cover it again for another 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, guys, and mbuzi yetu iko ready. So finally we are adding in the dania. Yeah. And then we mix this, serve, and enjoy. And enjoy. Guys, it's yummy. Nishaonja. So today I'm serving my mbuzi with ugali. Mnaweza ona ka ugali hapa. I'm serving my mbuzi with ugali and mboga. So I'm serving my mbuzi. I've served my mboga already. I'm serving my wet fry mbuzi. So here is our food, guys. Very delicious mbuzi wet fry. It's very yummy. Yeah, let's have a taste. Here is our food. Let's have a taste. Nishaomba. Mm. Guys, this is really nice. Please try this at home. And thank you for those who have subscribed. Those who haven't, thank you, because I know you're going to do that. And this is a wrap. Bye. See you in the next video.